Yo, it's the Crazy Paper Monkey. I know I have not made a video for like 3 months, 4 months, but you have to understand, I finally got a job and that took a lot of time. But now I figured everything out, I have a nice schedule, and I would love to get back into making YouTube videos. And I had no idea what to make for my first YouTube video, so I watched other YouTubers and I found crazy makeup artists. I've never done this before in my whole entire life. I've done face paint, but I haven't done something like this. This is my little brother Cameron. He's 11 and he is a 4th of July burn victim slash zombie, I guess. Yeah, so this is my first time and I'm pretty pleased with the result, but here's what he looks like. I guess we'll get to the video of me actually making it. Sorry if he's not completely into frame. He has a slumping problem. He likes to drift and he got really bored, so I had to turn on the TV. You know, he's 11, so his attention span is pretty small.
Yep.